Have you ever walked into one of those ultra-fancy beauty stores, picked up a single bottle of foundation or a tiny designer lipstick, looked at the price tag, and instantly put it down like it was hot coal? We've all been there. You see those rich girl, expensive, hyper-glowing makeup looks all over your feed and think, must be nice to have a fortune to spend on face cream. Well, I'm about to spill the ultimate industry secret. You do not need a designer bank account to look like $1 million. The high-end, luxury, clean girl look isn't about how much money you spend on products. It's all about the secret application hacks, placement tricks, and texture blending. Today, we are unlocking the ultimate beauty cheat codes so you can recreate that flawless, runway-level luxury glow using affordable drugstore finds and clever tricks. Get ready for the ultimate budget glow-up. Let's start with the absolute foundation of luxury makeup, glass skin prep. If you look closely at high-end celebrity makeup, their skin never looks dry, powdery, or heavy. It looks like hydrated, glowing glass. But instead of buying a $80 illuminating primer, here is the ultimate 5-second kitchen sink hack. Take a tiny dollop of your favorite everyday moisturizer, put it on the back of your hand, and mix in 1 single drop of a budget liquid highlighter or a drop of facial oil. Mix it together with your finger and massage it into your face before touching any makeup. You just created a custom, luxury-grade glow primer for literally pennies. It hydrates your skin, creates a smooth, sticky base, and gives you that expensive, I just stepped out of a 5-star spa radiance before you even apply coverage. Now, let's talk about foundation, because this is where a lot of budget makeups go wrong. Inexpensive foundations can sometimes feel a little thick, flat, or matte. The secret to making a $10 drugstore foundation look like a $100 designer formula is all in the hydration sandwich technique. Do not slap foundation straight onto your face with a dry brush. Instead, take a damp beauty sponge, spray it directly with a hydrating face mist or setting spray, and bounce the foundation into your skin using tiny tapping motions. The wet setting spray on the sponge thins out the pigment, fuses it with your skin prep, and seals it down. It completely erases that fake makeup layer look, leaving behind a smooth, airbrushed finish that looks like real, expensive skin. Next up, the Luxury Eye Lift Concealer Hack. Expensive beauty is all about subtle, lifted facial structure. Forget drawing those giant, thick triangles of white concealer under your eyes like we used to do in 2016. That heavy coverage just settles into fine lines, looks cakey in real daylight, and ages your face. To get that snatched, high-fashion eye lift, you only need 2 tiny dots of concealer. Put 1 micro dot at the inner corner of your eye, right where dark shadows live, and 1 micro dot at the outer corner, angled upward toward your temple. Blend the inner dot inward to erase dark circles, and blend the outer dot straight up toward your hairline. It instantly pulls your whole face upward, brightens your eyes, and tricks the brain into seeing a lifted, sculpted face shape without a single drop of excess product. Now, let's talk about the real MVP of high-end makeup: monochromatic cream blush. If you look at high-end beauty campaigns, the model's eyes, cheeks, and lips always share the exact same soft, romantic color tone. It creates a seamless, expensive harmony that ties the whole face together. Instead of buying 3 different matching products, grab one creamy, nude rose or peach lipstick. Tap 2 dots onto the high points of your cheekbones as a cream blush. Dab a tiny bit onto your eyelids as a soft eyeshadow wash and press it onto your lips. Blend it out with your fingers or a damp sponge. Because it's a cream formula, it melts right into the skin with a soft, dewy flush, creating that effortless, "I woke up looking this chic monochromatic" vibe in less than 2 minutes. Let's address contour and bronzer, because bad contouring can turn a budget glow-up into a muddy disaster real quick. The goal of luxury contouring isn't to draw dark brown war paint stripes on your face. It's to create soft, natural shadows. Here is the 2-finger placement hack for instant high cheekbones. Place your index and middle finger flat against the side of your nose. Your contour or bronzer should never cross past those 2 fingers toward the center of your face. Keep your contour tucked high on the outer edge of your cheekbone, blending upward into the hairline. By keeping the center of your face bright and clear, your cheekbones instantly pop, giving you that sharp, sculpted supermodel structure. Now, let's talk about expensive-looking eyes, specifically the soft espresso smudge line. Super sharp, jet black liquid eyeliner can sometimes look a bit harsh and heavy for an everyday luxury look. If you want that soft, smoldering, expensive eye look, ditch the black liquid pen entirely. Grab a deep espresso brown eyeshadow and a small angled brush. Stamp the brown shadow along your top lash line and gently flick it outward at the corner into a tiny wing. Then, take a clean fluffy brush or your pinky finger and lightly smudge the top edge of the line. Brown shadow creates a soft, hazy contrast that enhances your eye shape without looking like heavy makeup. It looks smoky, sophisticated, and insanely high-end. What about lashes? We all want long, fluttery, expensive-looking lashes, but heavy strip lashes can weigh down your eyes and look a little fake. Here is the interlash stamping hack for thick, lush lashes using basic mascara. Before coating your lashes, take your mascara wand, press the base of the wand right against the root of your top lash line, and give it a tiny wiggle. Stamping the dark pigment directly into the root creates the illusion of a full, thick lash line without needing fake lashes or eyeliner. Then, sweep the wand through the ends in a zigzag motion to separate every hair. You get fluttery, doll-like lashes that look completely real. Let's pivot to eyebrows, because brows frame your entire face. The luxury brow trend is all about soft, feathery, brushed-up hair texture, not dark, drawn-on block shapes. If you don't want to buy expensive brow gels or pay for brow lamination treatments, use the Clear Soap Hack. Grab a basic bar of clear glycerin hand soap and a spoolie brush. Wet the spoolie with a tiny spritz of water or setting spray. Rub it across the soap until it creates a light, tacky paste, and brush your eyebrow hairs straight up and slightly over. The soap dries completely clear, holds your brow hairs in place like iron all day long, and gives you that fluffy, high-fashion laminated brow look for literally pennies. Now, let's unlock the secret to luxury plump lips without spending a fortune on lip fillers or stinging glosses. High-end lip combos rely on shadow physics to make lips look naturally pouty. Step 1. Grab a nude lip liner that is one shade darker than your natural lip color. Only overline the very center of your Cupid's bow on top and the very center of your bottom lip. Leave the corners completely normal. Step 2. Fill in the rest of your lips with a soft, creamy nude or pink lipstick. Step 3. Apply a thick layer of clear or tinted high-shine lip gloss right in the center of your lips. The dark center outline combined with the glossy highlight tricks the eye into seeing maximum 3D volume. Let's talk about powder, because powder is a double-edged sword. Too much powder destroys your natural glow, while no powder leaves you looking oily by lunchtime. High-end makeup artists use a technique called targeted micro-baking. Do not coat your whole face in loose translucent powder. Instead, use a tiny fluffy eyeshadow brush or a small velvet powder puff, and apply powder only to 3 specific spots: the sides of your nose, the center of your forehead, and right under your eyes. Leave your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the edges of your face completely untouched. This locks down oil in the T-zone while keeping the rest of your face looking bouncy, dewy, and expensive. Here's the emergency glow-up hack. What if you accidentally applied too much powder, or your face looks a little too dry and chalky halfway through your routine? Do not panic and do not wash it off. Grab your favorite hydrating face mist or rose water spray. Hold it a foot away from your face, and spray a generous cloud into the air, letting the mist fall over your face. Then, take your damp beauty sponge and gently pat the skin. The fine moisture droplets instantly melt the powdery layers together into one seamless skin-like finish. Your glow comes bouncing right back in 5 seconds flat. After you apply all your cream products, your skin prep, tint, concealer, and cream blush, spray your face with a light layer of setting spray before you touch any powders. Let it dry completely. Then, apply your targeted powder and brows, and finish with a second generous layer of setting spray over the top. Layering your setting spray between creams and powders locks everything down in a flexible matrix. Your makeup stays locked in place through heat, sweat, and long days while maintaining that fresh, luminous finish. At the end of the day, a high-end luxury glow-up isn't about the designer logos on your makeup bag or how much money you spent at the store. It's about understanding your face shape, playing with light and texture, and using clever, simple tricks to highlight your natural beauty. When you master skin prep, soft blending, targeted powdering, and placement, a $20 makeup routine can easily outshine a $200 one. So grab your favorite affordable products, try out these game-changing hacks, and go rock that high-end luxury glow today.